Are you looking for a hot oil treatment on dry or wet hair at home with natural remedies? Is your hair becoming so dry and starting to break but your stylist can't even revive it? Sit still, stay tuned and watch this YouTube video to the end for real answers. Welcome once again within Jibs Cosmetics and hoping that you stay tuned to my beauty tips today. If you are new to this channel, in order to gain access to these mind-blowing beauty tips, smash the subscribe button below and hit the bell button to receive a notification of every awesome video that I upload. Here is an excellent hot oil treatment on dry or wet hair, and this DIY hot oil hair treatment will take care of your hair and give it all the nutrients that it needs. You can either go for the hot oil treatment on dry natural hair or even try out the hot oil treatment on wet hair, as they do work wonders to all textures of hair. The hot oil treatment on wet or dry hair is a dry hair treatment that revives dead hair, giving it back life and shine. This DIY hot oil treatment is not only a hot oil treatment on dry hair but also a hot oil treatment on dry dirty hair. My video gives you the best DIY hot oil treatment hair needs after being damaged by chemicals. In order to learn about these DIY hot oil treatment for dry hair tips, or in other words DIY hot oil treatment for dry curly hair home remedies, then take a step and subscribe with me for more awesome tips. Our hair goes through a lot. We get so caught up concentrating on our skincare routine and diet, mostly to lose weight or maintain it, that we forget to pamper our hair. Don't get me wrong, nourishing our skin and body is essential. Sometimes our hair benefits in bits at such care, but there is more we can do for our hair without leaving it to our hair stylists to figure out. From the excessive styling and coloring, poor washing routines and applying too much heat, our hair needs help. Your hair may not look like it will quit on you any minute, but give it a few months and years and the changes you'll experience will be near irreversible. You know what is best? Making sure you treat it well right now. Hot oil treatments are excellent all year round, and especially the cold season that does a number on most people's hair. Any hair type can benefit from hot oil treatments once in a while. For a dry and flaky scalp, split ends, dry, weak, thinned, and brittle hair, this type of therapy might be what you need to strengthen your hair follicles and encourage healthy hair growth. Hot oil treatment on wet or dry hair? Women have varying opinions on the matter. Which method guarantees the best results for your hair? What does more good? I was confused about the issue before I started my hot oil treatment journey, but now I understand the concerns of both sides. I will tell you about it. For enthusiasts on hot oil treatment on dry hair, the logic is this. Apart from giving your hair the nutrients it needs from the oil, you protect your hair from the harsh effects most shampoos have. When you shampoo your hair after the treatment, the oil coats your strands with a protective layer. This gives your hair a fighting chance against strong shampoos. On the other hand, others go for hot oil treatment on wet hair after shampooing. Here is why. I think either way can work. Say your hair suffers a bit every time you shampoo. The idea you can protect your mane is delightful. Else, if your hair is filthy and greasy, you may want to consider cleaning it first. You'll have to find a shampoo brand that negatively affects your hair the least. Conclusion. Instead of concentrating so much on which method you should use, why not try them both? That's what I did. I don't particularly enjoy what shampoo does to my hair, but using the hot oil treatment after washing does bring my hair back to life. Sometimes when my hair isn't too dirty, I do my hot oil treatment before my washing, so Have some fun with it while finding what's best for you. I hope you found this information about hot oil treatment on dry or wet hair at home quite useful. Stay tuned for more awesome tips. Do not forget to subscribe at the bottom of this video. Smash the like button if you like this video. What is your opinion regarding this topic? Comment below for discussion. In Jibs Cosmetics once again, and I hope that you stay tuned to my beauty tips today.